There is another way of counting the Lokuttar Chitta. It is said that Yogavachar, reaching the Lokuttar plane, practice 5 stages of Rupa Jhana. In each stage of Lokuttar Bhumi, in this way, each one of the Lokuttar Chitta becomes 5 and altogether they become 40 in number. Thus, the total number of Lokuttar Chitta is 40. Now, Lokuttar Chitta, the Kamavachar Chitta, Rupavachar Chitta, Arupavachar Chitta are called as Lokiya Chitta because they bind us together with Loka, that is the repeated existence. Loka means process of repeated existence or coming and going, coming into existence, living the worldly life and meeting the end, again coming into existence and thus maintaining the chain of coming and going. Lunjan palunjan athena loko. Because of these bindings nature of the world, they are called as Achayagami Dhamma. Lokuttar Chitta is so called because it is above the Loka. Loko uttarati iti lokuttara. Loka means lunjan palunjana and uttar means above. Therefore, those which are above the bhav process, they are called as Apachayagami Dhamma. The Lokuttar Chitta is therefore a supramundane type of consciousness where there is the function of eliminating the factors which bind us to the repeated existence. When the consciousness of Yogavachar becomes pure, subtle, concentrated, and he enters into the supramundane planes with such consciousness, reaching there, he finds that though his consciousness is pure, yet it is not free from the bhavachakra, because there are 10 fetters technically known as sanyojana that existing there. So long it exists, there is no possibility of getting rid of the process of becoming. They are Sakkaya Ditthi, belief in the existence of the permanent soul, in the personality of a being, Vichikiccha, doubt especially in the Buddha, Dham and Sangha. Third, Silabat Paramas, that is the wrong belief to get purified only by observing external rites and rituals. Kamarag, attachment of the sensual pleasure, and Patig, desire to harm others. Parvinas Chinta, Ruparag, the attachment of the Rup divine kingdom. Aruparag, the attachment of the Arup divine kingdom. Man, that is the conceit. Udhach, destruction. And lastly, Avidya, that is the ignorance. He makes effort to uproot and destroy these. First of all, he likes the first 3. He makes effort for their destruction, and when they are destroyed, he becomes Sotapan. Sot means path, a stream, and Apan means set in or established. So he is set in the path leading to Nibbana. Therefore, he is called as stream winner. There are 2 moments in it. In the first moment, he destroys the fetters, and in the second moment, he knows that they have been destroyed. So the first moment is Sotapati Magga Chitta, or a man in the Sotapati stage. The latter is called as Sotapati Phal Chitta, or a man or Sotapati Phal Chitta stage. It is said that Sotapan at this stage does not realize Nibbana, but he has vision of Nibbana. Nibbana becomes the object of mind. Similarly, the man on the path, a vision of Nibbana. but he has not achieved it. It is said that if he does not realize Nibbana in this very life, he must realize it within the next 7 births. There cannot be and must not be 8th birth for him. In his next effort, he finds before him 2 fetters, Kamarag and Patiga. They are very strong and cannot be destroyed in one stroke. Therefore, in his first attempt, he makes them weak. By doing so, he becomes Sagdagami, which means once returner. Here also, there are 2 stages. First, he makes effort to make them weak, and then he is in Sagdagami, Magga stage. In another stage, when he knows that these have been weakened, then he is in Sagdagami, Phal stage. A Sagdagami, if he does not realize Nibbana in this very life, then he has to come once again to realize it. In the third effort, he now exerts for the destruction of the wicked fetters. When he destroys them, he becomes Anagami, which means never returner. There are also 2 stages here. In the former, he exerts for the destruction of the 2 wicked fetters. This is called as Anagami Magga stage. In the latter stage, he realizes that they have been destroyed, and that is called as Anagami Phal stage. As regards Anagami, it is said that he does not come in this world even if he does not realize Nibbana. He born in a divine kingdom known as Suddhavasa, and then he attains Nibbana. In the 4th effort, he destroys the remaining 5 fetters, and thereby he becomes an Arhat, an emancipated being. Here also there are 2 stages. First, he exerts for the destruction of the 5 fetters, and he is in Arhat Magga Chitta, or the man is in Arhat Magga stage. In the latter, he knows that those have been destroyed, and that is Arhat Phala Chitta, and the man is in Arhat Phal stage. Arhat is the man who has destroyed the process of becoming. So, here it is seen that there are 4 Magga Chitta and 4 Phal Chitta. The 4 Magga Chitta are called Kusala Chitta, and the 4 Phal Chitta are called as Vipaka Chitta. So, in all, there are 8 types of Lokuttar Chitta. Chatu Magga Pavhedena Chatudha Kusala Tatha Pakam Tasya Phalatati Atthadha Anuttaram Matam. The 8 types of supramundane consciousness become 40 in another way of calculation. This is possible as each type of Lokuttar Chitta becomes 5 in number. The Yogavachar reaching the Lokuttar plane feels the benefit of the jhana through which he had reached this stage, and thinking so, he practices 5 stages of Rupa Jhana in each stage of Lokuttar Chitta. For instance, when he lives in Sotapatti stage, he practices 5 stages of Rupa Jhana in following way. Vitakka Vichar Piti Sukha Ekta Sahitam Sotapatti Magga Pathamam Jhana Kusal Chittam. Vichar Piti Sukha Ekta Sahitam Sotapatti Magga Dutiya Jhana Kusal Chittam. Piti Sukha Ekta Sahitam Sotapatti Magga Tatiya Jhana Kusal Chittam. सुख एकगता सहितम सोतापत्ति मग्ग चतुर्थ झान कुशल चित्तम उपेक्षा एकग्रता सहितम सोतापत्ति मग्ग पंचमम झानम कुशल चित्तम. Here it may be seen that the Sotapatti Magga Chitta, which was 1 in number, becomes 5 in number by practicing the 5 stages of Rupa Jhana. As the Sotapatti Chitta becomes 5, similarly each of the Sotapatti Phala Chitta, Sakdagami Magga and Sakdagami Phala, Anagami Magga, Anagami Phala Chitta, Arhata Magga Chitta and Arhata Phala becomes 5 in number. Thus, Lokuttara Chitta becomes 40 instead of 8. Here also, the 20 Magga Chittas are Kusala Chitta and 20 Phala Chittas are Vipaka Chitta. This can be seen in the following verse. Jhanang yod bhedena katva kenakam ti panchadha bucchata anuttaram chittam chattalis vidham ti cha. It may be urged in this context that when the Yogavachar practices Rupa Jhana, reaching the Lokuttara Bhumi, why does not he practice the Arupa Jhana in the Lokuttara Bhumi? The answer is that the level of the 5th stage of the Rupa Jhana is equal to the all stages of Arupa Jhana. Therefore, when the Rupa Jhana, including the 5th one, is practiced, there is no need of practicing Arupa Jhana. Thank you very much for patience hearing, and I hope that you have enjoyed this module. Thanks.